Here's how to download and play Clash Royale on your PC or laptop using BlueStacks. Clash Royale is a mobile game, so you need an Android emulator to run it on a computer. BlueStacks is the most widely used option and handles Clash Royale well. Open your browser, go to bluestacks.com and click Download. Run the installer, agree to the terms, and click Install. Wait for BlueStacks to fully install and launch. The first launch takes a few minutes as it sets up the Android environment. Once inside, open the Google Play Store, sign into your Google account, and search for Clash Royale. Click Install and wait for it to download. Once done, launch the game from your BlueStacks home screen and sign in with your Supercell ID to access your existing account and progress. A useful tip, BlueStacks lets you remap controls to your keyboard and mouse. For Clash Royale, this is mostly not needed since it is a card placement game, but you can use the key mapping tool to assign shortcuts to specific card positions if you want faster play. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.